Hello everyone, welcome to another little video. Today I'm showing a thing I purchased from Raven's Little Things, ravenillustrated.co.uk. So it's just arrived in the mail and I thought I would open it with you here. But I think I'm going to have to pause the video to open it properly because I've only got one hand, because the other hand is holding the phone. And I've also got a little kitten. Well, she's not a kitten. She's 13 now. 13. Yes, you beautiful girl. Aren't you beautiful? Aren't you beautiful? Anyway, back to this. Sorry, I got obsessed with the cat. Yes, let me open this and I will see what we've got. So, this is what we've got here. I've got a little package with the gift in it and a little note. It says, "Cat, thank you so much for your support and patience. I hope you love your necklace. To keep it as best, keep dry. Rainy days is fine. Rainy days is fine. Rainy day is fine, yeah. And avoid bends and scratches." Okay. And we've got the little leather necklace to go with it. And then we've got the actual pendant itself. So these are hand painted and by the person, and she does all the work herself. Oh, look at that, it's gorgeous. There it is. Beautiful raven. Let's see what the back look like. Oh, the little bow. How pretty is that? Black edging. There we are. So it's just a little necklace, but it's an arch and it's beautiful. Yeah. There we are. So I found her on Instagram, but she has her own website, as you saw. So I would say go out and check her stuff. She does beautiful artwork and it's all different colors. She does blue and white as well as black and white, and it's beautiful. If you heard any noise just then, that was Elsa rubbing her face along the microphone of the phone. So yes, anyway, it's a beautiful piece. I really love it. It's gorgeous. And I'm looking forward to wearing it with an outfit, probably maybe a white shirt or a black shirt with this hanging out over the top of it would look beautiful. All right, that was it. It was just a really quick one for you today, just to show you something that I just got in the mail, and I will see if the cat walks across the screen. There we go. I will see you all the next time. And until then, have a look at, there we are, ravenillustrated.co.uk. Check them out and see what you think. You might be able to find something beautiful for yourself. Okay, bye everyone. Thanks. Take care and have a bit of joy and whimsy in your life. Bye. Bye.